Are you doing all the right things, eating the salads, cutting the carbs, maybe even working out until you're absolutely bloody exhausted? But the number on the scale, it's just not budging. And that stubborn weight around the middle, it won't go away. It's incredibly frustrating, confusing, and you feel like you're at war with your own body. And you see other people, they're succeeding with these methods, and you think to yourself, what's wrong with me? And you want to just grab that nearest block of chocolate and smash it. I get it. Here's the secret the diet industry won't tell you. For women over 40, the old rules don't apply. Your hormones, your stress levels, your nervous system, they're what's actually running the show. And the answer isn't more restriction, it's healing your body on a deeper level. It's about learning to work with your body, not against it. Focusing on your mindset and your nervous system regulation, not just what's on your plate. It's time to stop fighting and start healing. So, comment below to discover why your healthy eating habits aren't working and what you can actually do instead.